talk, egghead.
Not this time, you fool!
Whoa, what's up with my shoes? I gotta get off the ground. Please be wrong. Please be wrong. I gotta find Tails. Finding Tails would be a lot easier if everything was covered in grass and palm trees like it should be. Whoa! Ugh, sorry, kid. I don't bust up babies. Go home, change your diaper, think about your choices, and tell Eggman I'll deal with him later. Right now, I got a fox friend to find. Test me, eggheads. Question: how do you tick off a hedgehog? Answer: mess with his friends!
Stick together, and we'll...
Perfect! I'm gonna ring up. Meet you there.
Sonic!
And we can wrap this up before dinner. Chili dogs. But first, just in case Eggman gets in a lucky shot, rings! To hit and run, but I got a split, Shadow. Baddies this way, baddies that way. They're coming from both sides. All-star move!
Too late, Sonic!
Rebel! Nuts! And big tails! Maybe. These two will find it. Sorry, friends. Gotta go. Gotta go fast. Speeding dogs don't lie.
Sonic! I'm lost in the void!
Shadow?
You have to keep moving!
How could you... How was a baby so mean? Right! You came!
When this is over, I'm going home and never looking back. Whether I go it alone is entirely up to you.
I knew you'd come back, buddy! I better check it out. Huh? What's going on?
Keep going! Do not stop!
Shadow? Ah! Dread, This is your second chance. You know how to do this.
Faster! Run as fast as your blue legs can go!
I don't lose races, especially not at the finish line.
Come on, come on, come on, come on!
But I'll be a salty sea dog.
Get to ye battle stations!
Lasers! I hate lasers!
Fire!
The shard! Dread!
Sonic! Gotcha!
No problem, Sonic. No problem, Sonic.
As long as I'm around, you'll always have a wingman.
That's it. I got them all. Now I can enter the gateways just like you.
You sure about that?
No problem, Sonic.
So long, Sonic. See you back home.
No, 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 no!
When you get going fast, you kick up prism energy, and it thins the veil to the void. It's like it's opening a portal through the gateway.
What are you waiting for?
So glad I'm always wearing gloves. Hey, Chaos Clowns! Follow me! What? The Chaos Council didn't follow me? Those eggheads! Oh, that is the most stubborn baby of all time! Thorn!
Sonic? No!
I'm getting you out of here. Come on. Come on! The Devil's Lighthouse! I wonder what happened to those pirates. Okay, if I'm gonna catch that ship, I'm gonna need to get airborne. This totally seemed like it was going to be easy. Get the shard and run fast, which I'm awesome at.
Who are you talking to? I can see you have the shard. Run faster and get out of there.
Turns out it's hard to get up to full speed on water, even with these kicks. Not to mention having pirates blasting at you.
Then go where they can't blast you.
I need solid ground. I know just where to get it. By the time that ship gets here, I'll be a blip on the horizon.
What was that about a blip?
Target acquired. Missiles locked.
You've been nicked, me hearty, and I'm coming for ye. No. Land! Sweet, solid land! Finally, I can get some traction under these kicks. Time to get out of here. It's working! Yes! What the? If looks could kill, am I right? I think maybe I made them mad.
9 to Sonic!
9? Can't take your eyes off me, huh? Come on, do your worst. Maybe I can run down his battery. Hey, you wanna be the new me? I am the new you. Well, how about a race? Oh, I love a race. See if you can keep up with the original. Hello again. Gotcha! Stop! Yeah. Seriously, knock it off. Knock it off. Stop upping me. Boom! Patient, you'll never beat me. You're too slow. Quit your yapping and come get me. Oh no! Busted! Sonic!
Go get the shards!
Gotta go fast!
What just happened?
Another reality quake. We don't have much time. We need to hurry.
Follow me.
It's home.
The forest is the most beautiful. What's happening?
Amy, Knuckles, Tails, guys!
The forest is the most beautiful place on
As
Earth.
long as I'm around, you'll.
They're all ghostly again.
It's heading for the temple.
Hey, bring it on, big, tall, and ugly!
If we can gain enough speed, we should be able to teleport out. To higher ground. Faster!
Here, birdie, birdie, birdie! I probably shouldn't have made them angry.
You can run as fast as you want. It doesn't matter. You know where you're going. Grimbirdie Alpha, head for the Yoke.
I won't let you hurt anyone else! See you on the other side.
Faster, you fool!
Whatever happens, it's been an honor. Up for smashing a few more me's? Nine!
Finally.
I was wondering what these puppies do in this place. Get ready for some fancy footwork! Step away from the rock, egghead!
Not this time, you fool!